Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the customer care number of DStv Swaziland. So in case you're having any problem on your decoder or you're about to activate a new decoder and you'd like to contact them for help, the number will be on your screen, but for you to check the current active number, pick up your DStv remote, press on the blue button which is a DStv logo, and it's going to take you to the DStv menu. Use the arrow left and right keys and look for help. So when you find help, here you come down to the first option, which is the contact us. Over here you press OK on it and use the arrow left and right keys, put it on the third option, which is the call option over here. Then scroll down to find DStv Swaziland number from the list. Go to the S column. Alright, so the number will be on your screen as well. You have two different numbers over here. So it begins with +268 and the remaining numbers will be on as well. So for you to call them, all you got to do is to have enough airtime before trying to call. They want to deduct at a normal calling rate, so you have to be mindful of that. So that's it. If you find this video helpful when you're here, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.